It was path-breaking in many ways. 70 का experience you gave people that time. हम उस समय हॉलीवुड में बड़े बड़े वेस्टर्न्स देखते थे और ये हमारे लिए वो एक्सपीरियंस था. It must have been extremely difficult, sir, क्योंकि आपका ambition प्रैक्टिकल भी होना पड़ेगा क्योंकि it has to match the expectations. How did you manage to keep dreaming bigger but also, make it happen?
It was just perseverance.
What are the most difficult things?
Belief in what I was doing, and the more I did it, I felt it right. The more right it felt, I felt I cannot give it up. The more I felt I cannot give it up, I pursued, and as I pursued, I started getting it back.
What were the most difficult things that went wrong at that time for you while during the making? Which almost made it seem like impossible at some point.
I think I was fighting against myself a lot.
Okay.
Because one side of me telling me, because if a sequence that was planned for 7 days takes 23 days.
कौन सा sequence था sir?
Everything.
बाप रे.
The song, मोटरसाइकिल वाला गाना था, उसमें भी 22-23 दिन लग गए. The Sanjeev Kumar scene where the family is massacred and the same thing. उसी का weather का हुआ problem. मतलब we shot for 2 days, first 2 days it was bright sunlight. उसके बाद the clouds came in. Waited for a day, waited for a second day. Second day second afternoon I asked the cameraman, tell me, what if we shoot it in this light? This ominous kind of feeling. And then the winds pick up, the leaves start
Rustling,
and inside him that Josh.
Ji.
And then he takes off on the horse and goes there. So I just felt that this will give it a whole different feel. The emotions will still be there. All what was on paper would be achieved. But the atmospheric thing would add to it tremendously.
संजीव सर के जो कैरेक्टर है ना, ठाकुर आई एम सेइंग, हाँ, उनके हाथ नहीं है. वो जो सीन था वेरी सेज, आपने क्यों नहीं उठाया, वो गन क्यों नहीं उठाया? हाउ वाज दैट सीन सर? इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुली डन.
It was part of the screenplay. But I mean it was actually earlier, because
Achha.
in the beginning that's why he wears it like this.
जी.
I just felt, I told Salim Javed that let's place it a little later, so that becomes a point of interval, a dramatic kind of a point. They all immediately, they didn't hesitate. When they like something, they liked it. Like if they suggest something and I like it, I don't hesitate. And it worked. It gave the whole film a different feeling, that by the time oh God, this is what it was. So I think everything has a place and time, or as you say, there is a time and place for everything.
Also kind of changed Jaiveeru's graph, right? तब तक वो लोग just कर रहे थे.
Yeah, they were there for the money.
They were kind of goons,
Then they got involved.
कि ये अब लड़ाई हमारी भी है. I think it was kind of the turning point. Wonderfully written in the screenplay also.
Absolutely.